Our family sincerely admires him, and we cannot have handpicked anyone better to marry my sister. So, Brooklyn, this is going to be the hardest part for me. My sweet little sister, today is the biggest day of your life. And we're all here to rejoice in it. You can be the best sister. You are the best sister a brother can ever ask for. You're sweet as you can be, and you handle yourself, making it much easier on Dad and I. It's so much easier. Even though I know you are tough, nothing in this world can get you down, and nothing can replace the memory of me crawling into your crib when you were born.
With you. Love is wrong and love is right. It's a patient heart with tired eyes. It'll bring you to the end and show you where your life begins.
Do you, Seth, take Brooklyn to be your lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, to love, honor, cherish, and protect, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Brooklyn, take Seth to be your lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, for richer and for poorer, to love, honor, cherish, and protect, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
You may kiss the bride. You gotta get out of the way.
Would do it all.